Nowadays, hotels get data from various sources, i.e. property management system, customer relationship management, BOSS software, newsletter, the point of sales or Wi-Fi network. It results in multiple profiles for one single guest. On average, hotel groups have 2.3 profiles for each loyal guest in the PMS alone. Just imagine what this means for your business. Welcome to dailypoint. dailypoint's central data management collects data from all relevant sources to create a central and consolidated profile for each guest. The foundation to get there is our data laundry, a unique, patented data cleansing processes enriched by artificial intelligence. dailypoint even cleans the data in your systems. The result? dailypoint improves service quality and operations, increases the return on investment of marketing efforts, and lays the foundation for great analysis results. The cloud-based dailypoint data management platform offers an open API based on the HTNG standard, which makes the integration as easy as possible. Your benefits include clean and consolidated data in your systems, independence from single software solutions, a great foundation for a hotel's digitalization strategy. Visit www.dailypoint.com for more details and share this video with your friends.